how to use WhatsApp on two phones at the same time. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use WhatsApp on two phones at the same time. So to use your WhatsApp on two phones at the same time, you can use the WhatsApp companion mode. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your new phone and then find WhatsApp Messenger, then download it to your device. Then open your WhatsApp Messenger on your second phone, then tap agree and continue. Do not enter your phone number. Instead, tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Now select link as a companion device. A unique QR code will just appear on your screen. Now open WhatsApp on your main phone, then navigate to the linked device menu and then tap link a device and unlock your phone using your biometric data or PIN. Now use your primary phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the secondary phone. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.